Where are Soho's secret speakeasies located? Imagine stepping into a neighborhood filled with art, shopping, and history, then discovering hidden bars that seem to vanish into thin air. That's what makes Soho's secret speakeasies so exciting. These hidden gems are tucked away behind unassuming doors, blending into the neighborhood's artistic vibe. Many are behind storefronts that look like regular shops, such as shoe repair or locksmith shops. You might need a special password or a secret knock to get inside. Others are hidden inside everyday places like bodegas or newsstands, where you walk through a normal store and find a cozy bar behind the counter. Some of these speakeasies are small and intimate, with just a few seats, perfect for a quiet drink. They often have live jazz or curated cocktails that match their vintage feel. The entrances are usually on side streets or alleyways, making them easy to miss if you're not looking carefully. While the exact addresses are kept secret to keep the experience authentic, most are along Soho's main streets or tucked into its historic side alleys. Visiting one of these hidden bars adds a special layer to your exploration of Soho's shopping and gallery scene. It connects the neighborhood's modern energy with New York City's past, when secret bars kept nightlife alive during Prohibition. If you want to find these spots, it's best to do some research beforehand. Many speakeasies requiring reservations or have specific entry rules. Some might ask for a password, which you can find on their websites or social media pages. Remember, these places are meant to be exclusive and fun, so respecting their rules helps keep the secret alive. Overall, Soho's secret speakeasies are hidden behind unmarked doors, inside other businesses, or along quiet streets. They offer a one-of-a-kind experience that perfectly complements the neighborhood's lively shopping and gallery atmosphere. Exploring these hidden bars makes your trip to Soho even more memorable, blending history, mystery, and great drinks all in one.